Welcome back to another episode of Banking for Legacy, where we talk about how to take back control of your finances, build wealth on your terms, and create a lasting legacy for your family. If you haven't already, do yourself a favor and grab a copy of Becoming Your Own Banker by Nelson Nash. I have the book right here. This book right here changed the way I think about money, control, and how banks have trained us to depend on them instead of ourselves. It's the foundation of everything we're going to talk about. Enjoy the episode. Today, we're diving into a question I get all the time. When is the best time to start a policy? And to be honest, the answer will surprise you. Let's start with the problem. Most people hesitate to start a policy because they think, I'll wait until I make a little more money, or I need to pay off some debt first. But here's the truth. The longer you wait, the more opportunity you lose. Every month, every year that passes, your dollars are working for somebody else. Usually the bank. You're paying interest instead of earning interest. Let me give you a few real world examples. Example number one. A friend of mine said, I'll start once I get a raise. 2 years go by, and he got that raise. But life also got more expensive. The new car, the vacations, the lifestyle inflation. Now that extra money was gone before he even saw it. Example 2. A real estate investor told me, I'll start once my business slows down. Well, guess what? That business never slowed down. He kept on borrowing from the banks, paying them back with interest instead of building his own banking system. Example number 3. A business owner. A small business owner I worked with was using a line of credit every season to cover inventory costs. Every year, he'll pay the bank interest, then repeat the cycle again. When he finally started an IBC policy, he began borrowing from himself instead. Within 3 years, he paid off the bank line of credit, built cash reserves, and now his business is literally funded by his own policy loans, not the bank's approval. And that's the pattern I see over and over again. People delay thinking there's a perfect time, but the perfect time never comes. When is the perfect time? The best time to start a policy was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Why? Because the infinite banking concept isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building control and liquidity over time. Every dollar you put into a policy is a dollar that can be borrowed, reused, and recaptured for the future opportunities. Whether that's paying off debt, buying real estate, or funding your kids' education. And here's a secret most people miss. The earlier you start, the longer your money compounds uninterrupted. So how do we incorporate IBC with a policy? Let's actually put this in motion. Step 1. Start with a properly designed dividend-paying whole life insurance policy. Not the kind your local agent sells you just for the death benefit, but one built for cash value growth and access. Step 2. You fund it consistently. Just like a business bank account, this is where your cash lives, grows, and compounds. Step 3. When the opportunity comes, maybe you need to put a down payment or pay off some debt, invest in real estate, or buy equipment for your business, you don't go to the bank. You go to your policy. You borrow from it, pay the policy back with interest, and keep that cash flow inside your own system. That's how the wealthy think. So what are we supposed to do now? If you've been thinking about starting a policy but don't know where to begin, let's make it happen. Go to my website, bankingforlegacy.com, or at bankingforlegacy for my social media accounts, and you can message me directly for a free 30-minute consultation. We'll look at your goals, your cash flow, and design a plan that fits your situation, not a cookie cutter policy. This isn't about insurance. It's about taking control of your money. So don't wait for that right time, because the right time is now. I'm Nelson Pizarro. This is Banking for Legacy podcast, where we help create financial freedom, build generational wealth, and truly become your own banker. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep banking for legacy.